Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove bold and italic font from text in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this text box and click this three dot option. And you will find this edit option. So we will select your edit and again double click on this text box and you can select all text. Press Ctrl A from your keyboard. See this all of this text now select. Also you can select dragging your mouse at text. Now click this three dot option and this bold icon showing here and simple unbold. Click here and see this unbold. If you click again and see it will make bold and unbold. Also remove this text italic font and click this italic font. If you click again and see this. Also remove this text font bold option. And same way you can select all of these text. You can apply bold and italic and press Ctrl A and remove bold and italic at once. Yeah, this is. And finally select save and close. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.